Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on? High Priestess, Queen of Swords and Six of Swords. Capricorn. Eight of Cups, Page of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. The Lovers, Eight of Pentacles and Four of Cups. Under the deck, the Judgment. I think you are going to make some major decision in your life in near future, Capricorn. Maybe it regarding to your relationship or maybe your work area or family. It could be anything, but some major decision making, Judgment. So let's see your reading. Recent past, High Priestess, Queen of Swords and Six of Swords. There is no contact situation between you and your person for some because maybe you cut off your person from your life, Queen of Swords energy. With Six of Swords, you decided to move on from this person in recent past. High Priestess, because your intuition telling something to you. Maybe there are some trust issues between you and your person. That's why you decided to move on from your person. Because you are listening to higher self, your higher self. There is some intuition telling something to you and you are following it. You stand by your power. Maybe you decided to cut off your person. You decided to move on. You want to move towards calm water. And then present Eight of Cups, Page of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. Maybe someone is returning to you, but you decided to walk away from your person and you did it. Definitely, if not in near future, you will. Because for some, it could be third party situation also involved. I think your person is immature. For some, children is also involved in this connection, Page of Pentacles. But some communication is coming and they decided to come back with Knight of Cups. Maybe they have love for you. Maybe there are some issues or disturbances. It could be family issues also. But there is some communication, message, apology they want to send to you and Knight of Cups. Someone is coming to you, towards you to offer this cup of love to you and this person has strong emotions. For some it could be your past person or could be new person. Depends upon your situation. Future, Four of Cups, Eight of Pentacles and the Lovers. There is love. Still you also have love for your person. Even though you moved away or walked away from your person, still you have some love towards your person, but you're feeling missed opportunity with your person, Four of Cups, because you're feeling sad without your person, but you decided to work on your financial career and you're really working hard towards your goals. Financial abundance is coming. You are more concentrating on your career because you want to overcome this pain, because you're very sad with the missed opportunity with your person. Yeah, because there is love between both of you. The Lovers card is here. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth and water energies. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. Capricorn. Page of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back with an apology. Maybe your person is very immature. Communication is coming. So let's see your person current feelings, Capricorn. Yeah, I think Knight of Cups is your person. And another deck, the Emperor. Maybe your person have some ego problems in past. Maybe you only the person always investing in this connection. There is no equal give and take. But King of Swords, they want to communicate with you. Communication, they thinking about to communicate because their love towards you is overflowing. Ace of Cups and Page of Cups, they're coming back with an apology. Capricorn, yeah, they decided to come back and they decided to communicate with you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Three of Swords under the deck. They're very sad. They're heartbroken without you. They're suffering. They're missing you so much. And Ten of Pentacles. They want this happiness with you, this happy family with you. They want to offer stability. They're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they're right now guarded up, but in near future they will open up to you because they have so much love for you. Ace of Cups is here and Seven of Pentacles. Maybe they are waiting for you to come back. There is some waiting mode is here, but in divine timing everything will be okay because they're thinking about to offer this love and there is some communication is coming. Maybe they keep tabs on you before coming towards you. They want to test the waters. And Ten of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability to this connection, but it will take some time because Seven of Pentacles energy is here. Your person also waiting for something. Maybe they want to achieve financial abundance before coming towards you. Something is waiting going in this situation. But even though they look like they guarded up, but they're thinking about you a lot, how to approach you, whatever. See under the deck, justice, second chances, marriage, commitment. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of cards. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But lot of earth energy, guys. So let's pull some cards from universe. Page of Wands and Nine of Swords and Ten of Wands. Yeah, they will not give up. Yeah, they will take their time to come towards you because Page of Wands, communication. Maybe one person is younger than the other person in this connection. And Nine of Swords, they're missing you so much and they're thinking about you a lot, especially when they are alone. Capricorn. Yeah, 2 times Page of Wands, communication, and King of Wands, Queen of Wands, it's you. You stand by your power. You are very grounded because Queen of Wands energy. You are looking very attractive because you are stand by yourself. You are taking your power back. You are taking your control back. Yeah, again 10 of Pentacles, stability is coming in this connection. You will be in a committed relationship, Capricorn. Yeah, they're missing you so much. Yeah, they will come back, but it will take some time. See, waiting, definitely waiting in divine timing and the world. For some it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. For some the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again. Definitely there is some waiting going between you and your person, but some communication is going to be happen. There is communication is coming and they're willing to come back because Knight of Cups energy. They won't give up on you because Seven of Wands is also there because they will not give up. See, 10 of Cups, definitely 10 of Cups will come, but it will take some time. And let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. Again, 3 of Wands. Again, long distance relationship, waiting going in this connection. Maybe waiting on, you both are waiting for each other to make first move. You also heartbroken without your person. Yeah, you also like guarded up but thinking about them a lot. There is love. I think you both are on the same page. Yeah, they're ready to offer stability. You both are thinking, you both are mirroring each other. Let's see your person overall energy, Capricorn. Seven of Swords, 6 of Swords, 8 of Swords, 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, why it is taking so much time? Because right now your person feeling stuck. They really want to work on this relationship. 3 of Pentacles, they want partnership, they want reconciliation, but they're ready to fix the things between both of you. 6 of Swords, but they're feeling stuck. Yeah, maybe they're scared to come towards you because they did something in past. Maybe they hurt you in past. 7 of Swords energy. Maybe they're hiding something from you in past. You came to know about that. That's why they are taking their time to come back. Guys, if there is really third party situation, think once before giving another chance. If it is not, then it is okay. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck. Be bold and make the first move. So if you want to make first move and it is a message from universe, be bold and make the first move. So under the deck, you and your loved ones are safe. If you are worrying about your person, maybe you are in a long distance relationship, but you or your loved ones are safe. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading, guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.